Comprende, senor?
Sit. Stay there. Lay down. Good, Cross. Crossy. Sit. Crossy, sit. There's the stairs. There's the slime room. There's my room. Keep my... Now we're gonna see Dad's shop. Here's the outside. Here's Cross's doggy door to his little house. Now we're going to explore Dad's shop. Dad's shop. Let's see. Let's start this up, the head. The other head. See. Mom, do that thing again.
Pardon me?
Do that thing again.
Serger? My new lamp.
Voila. Voila, voila, madame.
This is a lovely room. Bye-bye, I'm working.
Bye-bye. There's some paintings. Now, where's that? Okay. Here's the fish. There's the fish. Thank you. Oh, here's the money that is in the jar. That's all for now. See you next time on the Terra's Future channel.